What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be installing a very cool but also pretty useless mod on the BMW F30. Now, I've been looking for a mod like this for a very long time, but I've been trying to find a good example of it because there's a lot of cheap ones out there on Amazon, on eBay, but this one I found from a company that's very reputable. Alright guys, so here is the new mod for today. Now, if you can't tell right off the bat, these are basically light projectors that go on the doors of your BMW. Now, I say your BMW because it's not just for this 3 Series. This actually fits a whole bunch of BMWs. If you guys want to know if it fits yours, check out the links down in the description below. They should have a list of BMWs that this works on. But of course, the car that we're going to be installing it on is my 2017 BMW F30. Again, if you guys do want a set for yourself, check out the links down in the description below. This box will come with 2, so it's going to work for your front driver door and your front passenger door. It's not for the rear doors, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, anyways guys, this box over here is the main thing. So this actually comes with the lights, and it comes with a few variations. So you guys can see you have the M logo right there. You also have the BMW logo. However, this one comes with some more variations. So you guys can see right there, it says M Performance. It has like those BMW stripes, which is really cool. It has a few more options. It looks like the 50-year anniversary logo. It has an M logo also with the BMW stripes. So this one comes with more options. Now, that probably sounds weird because this does come with a light and then you have multiple options. It's actually only one light, and then it comes with several different like filters, if that makes sense. So this one comes with the lights as well as those 2 filters that I pointed out, and then this one just comes with additional filters. So you guys can't just get this on its own. You have to get this, and then if you want these, you can get this in addition to that one. So I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So now right off the bat, you guys can see we have 2 lights in here, and then you can see the 2 additional filters. I believe there's probably already some filters inside it, and then these filters literally slide in and out of this to change sort of like the design of the light. Now, as you can guess, this box literally only has those additional filters. It does not have any actual lights. And so of course it has 6 because it has 2 of each, and we can probably actually see, so that one looks like it's a 50-year. You guys can actually kind of see the designs inside there, which is pretty cool. Now, the reason why I got this one is because I really like this design right over here, the M Performance with the 3 stripes, because this one, guys, I'm not crazy about the BMW logo, and I'm also not a fan of having an M logo on this 330i base model 3 Series. Now, obviously, if you guys want an M logo, if you have an M3, M4, whatever car it is, or if you just want to rock the M logo, you can, of course, get just this one box. But again, I like the M Performance one. Now, I will test out all of these, and I'm not going to show you guys right now. I'll show you guys how to install this. It's actually super easy. All you need to do is like a pry tool or something like a pry tool. But since it's daylight right now, and as you guys can tell, it is super sunny today, you're not really going to be able to see the lights. So we're just going to install them right now, and then at night I'll do the different variations, and I'll show you guys what they all look like so you can get an idea of what to expect. So for now, let's install this. Again, super easy. So all we have to do is obviously just go to our driver door, our passenger door. Now, underneath the door, you guys will actually find there's a light right in here. So all we're gonna do is just pry this out and then disconnect it and then replace it with the new light. Alright guys, so not sure how well you're able to see that because although it's really bright outside, the lighting was really dark. Hopefully I can make it better while editing, but anyways, the new light is in. That was legit super easy and simple. Now again, because it's so bright outside right now, you're not going to be able to see the light, but I will cut to a night scene later on so you guys can see exactly what it looks like, and again, I'll show you every variation. But before we get into that, I actually want to show you guys a couple more things about these lights. So when you guys are installing this, I believe there's actually technically no left or right. However, the images are going to be upside down depending on how it is. You guys can actually turn them. So you guys should be able to see that black cylinder right there. To move the image, all you have to actually do is just like rotate this. So you literally like turn it with your fingers like that on both sides. So if the image is upside down, depending if you put this on the left or the right, you can actually just pop it right back out and then just turn this accordingly. Also, to change the filter or the lens, whatever you want to call it, it's actually pretty easy. So to do this, you basically just want to take this plastic piece, turn it counterclockwise to the left. You'll actually feel that it unlocks, and now you can just lift this away. Now with this away, you'll have the actual projector, and here it's not the light is connected down here. So you just want to take the projector out. So yeah, you can just kind of drop it out there. Make sure you catch it with your hand. Now, like I said, you can see the light inside there. It's just one LED light. We're not going to be messing with that. We're only going to be messing with the projector. So this we actually have to take out because the lens, or the whatever you want to call it, is inside here. So you just want to take this apart. So to do that, you guys can literally just pull it into 2 pieces, and the lens should attach to one of these pieces here. You can just take it out just like that, and then replace it with whichever one you want. But for this case, I'm actually going to leave this one. We're going to continue this video at night. For me, it's going to be a couple hours. For you guys, it's going to be an instant. But while it's still daylight, I just want to take a minute to remind you guys about the merch store. Again, I have this shirt, a whole bunch of other cool ones, so definitely go check out the link down in the description below. Everything you guys buy helps support the channel, helps support the builds, and helps me make these videos. So yeah, anyways, with that said, guys, let's continue this video at night. So here's the first variation. As you guys can tell, it is the OG BMW logo. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not too crazy about this one. Although it's really cool, I'm just not super crazy about a BMW logo shining down. Hopefully the camera's able to pick it up well, but this thing looks pretty cool, guys. Again, here's just a look. So as soon as you open up your door, you'll get the light just like that. So with that said, guys, let's jump into the next variation. All right, and here's the next one, just the M logo, as I told you guys before. Now again, this and the BMW logo one are the only ones that come with the original box. So if you guys just get that main box, these are the only 2 that you'll be getting. Now this one is actually a lot cooler than I thought it'd be. Again, just for me personally, probably not going to put it on this base model 3 series, but if you guys have an M car, hey, maybe this one could be for you. So definitely pretty cool, guys, but again, just not for me. All right, so on to the next variation. Honestly, guys, this one is definitely my favorite by far. Now, if you guys can't tell, this is the 50-year anniversary BMW emblem or logo, whatever you want to call it, but this thing actually looks really good. Now, it does actually use a lot of negative space, which is part of the reason why I really like it. Like, it makes it look a lot more like sophisticated and classy. Personally, I would actually really like to rock this one, but since I don't have any of these other emblems on my car, I feel like it would kind of be a little random. But if you guys have the 50-year anniversary emblems on your car, honestly, I think this is a really cool one. Legit, like, this thing looks so freaking cool. Like, honestly, I might just rock it regardless, but who knows? We'll see. Maybe we'll like the other ones more. Guys, these are legit getting better and better with each one. As you guys can tell, this one is now the M logo with the BMW M stripes going around it. Although the other M logo looked pretty good, this one just adds that extra element of like design and depth. Like, it doesn't look cheap, if that makes sense. But yeah, honestly, guys, this one is pretty awesome. Like, I really don't want to put an M logo on this car because that's an easy way to get roasted online. But man, this one just looks so good. I'm really hoping the camera is picking these things up well because this actually looks really good, guys. If only I had an M car, which I will have soon, guys. But yeah, maybe on that M car I'll put this one. This one, yeah, definitely my favorite by far so far. Guys, I think we found the winner, the last variation of this set. Now, as you guys can see, this one does not say M, it says M Performance, which is probably a little more accurate for this 330i. And it also has the M style colors and stripes right there to go along with it. This one looks really good as well. I'll be honest with you guys, the last one with the M logo was probably arguably my favorite, but this one is really close too. It definitely has to be between these two. This one though, I think is just more accurate for this car. Again, guys, if I had an M car, I would definitely do the previous one, but this one is pretty cool as well. All right, guys, so that's it. You've seen every variation from this kit. Now, again, those first 2 came with the original box, and then the last 3 came with that additional box, which honestly, guys, I would highly recommend getting because the BMW logo, the M logo, they're cool, but the next 3 were way better. Like, I definitely think it's worth getting that additional box. I think it's only like an incremental cost of like $40-60 bucks, so it's really not too bad. I actually want to do this on my X3 now as well, and when I get my new M car, I'm definitely going to do it on that car. Maybe I'll do the M logo one, who knows. In that case, I actually don't even have to buy another kit like this. I can just buy the light and then use the lenses over here because they're all the same. But for this car, I'm definitely sticking with the M Performance one. I think it just suits the car. It looks really cool. And honestly, guys, like, I was worried it was gonna look cheap, but it definitely does not. So again, if you guys want it, links down in the description below. Also, go check out the merch store, support your boy. Yeah, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.